Hello friends, I am Shamit Mojumdar. I am the branch manager at The Pioneer Immigration, The Pioneer Enterprises, New Delhi. Are you looking for work permit across the globe? It's like Senegal countries, which includes 28 European countries like Norway, Finland, Poland, Slovakia, Lithuania, Denmark, Netherlands, Germany, France, Latvia, Lithuania, Malta, Portugal, Czech Republic, Prague, Sweden, Belgium, Italy. Or are you looking for work permit for non-Schengen countries like Union, Serbia, and Croatia? Or are you looking for work permit for Canada? We are one of the best company for Canada immigration. Whether it is for work permit or PR, permanent residence in Canada or Australia. Our overseas office is in Melbourne and Serbia. Soon we are coming up with our office in Canada. Are you looking for PR, permanent residence in Canada? Then speak to me right now. We'll have a details discussion for your Canada PR. Are you looking for PR, permanent residence for Australia? Speak to me. You will get the best deal from us with quality service. Our office is at Lajpat Nagar 1 C block. Visit to our office for a details discussion. You can call me at any time. Fix a meeting with me with my directors. My number is 8800992879. Once again, 8800992879. Every year, we are sending more than 800 candidates to overseas countries for work permit, as well as PR. Are you looking for Italy? You will get PR, means TRC, temporary residency card, from day one once you entered in Italy. That is we called TRC, temporary residency card, and within 9 months you will get PR, permanent residency in Italy. For a better deal, please speak to me at 8800992879. Are you looking for study visa across the globe? We have tie-ups with finest universities, institutes across the globe. So speak to me, meet my team, and get the best deal, best institutes overseas, universities overseas for your dream career, for your study. Are you looking for your study visa or overseas study in Canada, Australia, South Korea? Give me a call. Fix an appointment. We can chat, we can discuss, and you will get best educational institutes from us so that you can get your dream institutes for your further overseas studies. Meanwhile, see, we are one of the best company in India for Canada. Are you looking for PR, like express entry in Canada, entrepreneurship program, startup program for Canada? Give me a call. We will discuss, and you will get 100% delivery from us. Are you looking for PR in Australia? Are you looking for dependent visa for your spouse, for your kids? Give me a call. We will discuss. We are one of the best company for PR, for work permit, for study visa, and for study abroad. All your, even for your requirement of tourist visa, if you are looking for Dubai visitor visa, then give me a call. You will get a best deal from us with the best service. Our commitment is our quality. You will get the best service with minimum time frame. If you are looking for work permit across the globe, it's for like, if it's for Senegal countries, non-Senegal, Gulf, Singapore, and South Africa, Mauritius, it will take hardly 45 working days. For Serbia, it will take hardly 30 days to get your work permit with 2 years contract, which is extendable up to 3 years. And after 1 year, you will apply for PR, permanent residence in your dream country. So why delay? Give me a call at 8800992879. Discuss with me, come to my office. If you are not staying in Delhi and if you don't want to come to our office due to pandemic, we will fix Zoom meeting. So I will be there, my directors will be there, we all will speak with you, and you will get best deal, best service from us. So fix the meeting with me and get the clarity first. Once you have the clarity for work permit or PR or its study visa or overseas study, or it's like dependent visa, whatever it is, or visitor visa or tourist visa, get the clarity first, take the decision. You will get 100% delivery. Our commitment is service quality. So, and I'm based in our head office, Lajpat Nagar 1, New Delhi, which is just opposite Defense Colony Flyover Market. So fix the meeting with me, come, we'll discuss face to face, and you will get the best deal from us. And as I told you earlier that we are sending 800 candidates every year to overseas countries for work permit, PR. And our head office is in Delhi, Lajpat Nagar 1. I'm heading immigration business for the company, whether it's for work permit, whether it's for PR, permanent residence, whether it's for study visa, whether it's for visitor visa, whether it's for tourist visa, whether it's for dependent visa or any other visa requirements. So give me a call. We have one more division, that is we are in licensing business. If you are looking for any license, like you want to come up with a startup business, it can be like you want to open a retail shop in garment sector, any retail shop, if you need any retail license, any retail drug license, any wholesale drug license, drug manufacturing license, cosmetic license, cinema license, resto bar license, liquor license for Pan India, please give me a call. We are a license owner. Our liaising is very, very strong in India and overseas. So our business verticals mainly for immigration, work permit across the globe, PR, permanent residence, Canada, Australia, Senegal, non-Senegal. For Canada, we are one of the best company in India, and you will get the best price for Canada, whether it's a work permit or PR. You will not get that deal anywhere in India. So for Canada, just speak to me at 8800992879 and get your best offer from us. And apart from PR, we have study visa. We are doing study visa, and we have tie up with different institutes, universities overseas, whether it's in Canada, Australia, South Korea, Senegal, non-Senegal countries. Give me a call for the best institutes you are looking for your study. And if you are looking for visitor visa, give me a call. You will get the best deal for visitor visa, whether it's a Dubai visitor visa, tourist visa, across the globe. Apart from immigration business, our another business vertical is licensing. If you are looking for liquor license L10, if you are looking for restaurant license, cinema hall license, retail drug license, wholesale drug license, drug manufacturing license, pan India, cinema hall license, any licensing for your cosmetic license, so you will get everything from us, pan India basis. We are a liaisonner, so you will get the best deal with the minimum time frame. So speak to me. I'm giving you my number once again, 8800992879. So why delay? If you want to come up with your own business, give me a call, and we are ready to do your licensing with best price, best deal, best service, pan India. So once again, our office is in Delhi, Lajpat Nagar 1C block. That is our head office. We have two more offices in Delhi, that is South Extension Part 2 and Jangpura. We are coming up with one more office in Delhi, that is Defence Colony. Our overseas office, Melbourne, Australia and Serbia. Soon we are coming up with our offices in Canada. So once again, my mobile number 8800992879. Thank you.